heart of Apulia, where the Adriatic whispers secrets to the shore, lies Trani, a timeless gem carved from white stone and kissed by salt air. Here, elegance lives in the embrace between land and sea. The Cathedral of San Nicola Pellegrino, rising like a lighthouse from the edge of the water, is more than a church. It is a symbol of faith, of history, of Trani's eternal gaze over the sea. Its pale limestone facade, almost golden under the sun, glows at dawn and blushes at dusk. Clean lines, elegant arches, and a Romanesque purity make it seem as if the cathedral was born from the cliffs themselves. Wander through the marina, where boats sway gently, and the scent of the catch of the day blends with the breeze. Trani's port has long been a cradle of commerce and culture, where sailors, merchants, and dreamers met across the centuries. The Swabian Castle, strong and silent, stands guard by the coast, a relic of Frederick II's legacy, its stones soaked in the memory of emperors and battles, of sunrises and storms. Yet Trani is not only past, it's present. It lives in its polished stone streets, in the laughter from cafes, in the golden hour that turns the harbor into a painting. This is a city that doesn't shout. It whispers of beauty, of balance, of quiet grace. Trani, where the sea speaks softly and history walks beside you.